Hello everyone, I'm Ashwarya. Welcome to our show, The Bottom Line. Today's headlines are: Asus launched the latest edition of ZenBook Duo 14 and ZenBook Pro Duo 15 OLED. ZenSolar is helping farmers to use solar energy with its network of more than 1,000 dealers across India. Shri Nitin Gadkari virtually flags off fleet of electric vehicles as Amazon reaffirms its commitment to building a sustainable supply chain. Windlass developer closes the largest real estate deal of Uttarakhand for its township project Windlass River Valley. Superstar Paramrit Chatterjee and Abir Chatterjee come together for the very first time as Health OK brand ambassador for West Bengal. Taiwanese tech giant Asus launched the latest edition of ZenBook Duo 14 and ZenBook Pro Duo 15 OLED to their already expansive ZenBook range at an online launch event. The laptop of tomorrow, ZenBook Pro Duo 15 OLED and ZenBook Duo 14 feature a dual display with a four-sided frameless nano edge display that's incredibly bright along with ultra slim bezels for a complete impressive experience. Aligning with their theme of be bold, be crazy, be unbiased, the newly launched laptops are designed to offer the best of functionality without sacrificing the portability of the laptop. Next up is, as the farmers are getting connected to the modern world, one of the biggest challenges farmers from remote rural India face is the electricity issue and everyday cost to use the modern machine to farm their land. Average cost of running these electric devices create large burden on already stretched pockets of the farmers, and that's where solar energy can be beneficial. Off-grid solar system provided by companies like ZenSolar can literally make the electricity bills vanish. ZenSolar provides solar products to everyone across the country to save electricity and upgrade their battery system with best quality solar panels, battery and inverters so that everyone can use power of sun to live a better life. Along with helping farmers in India, ZenSolar is creating a robust network of solar enthusiasts to use solar system for their homes to save electricity and avoid problems of power cut and load shedding. Next up is, Amazon India today reaffirms its commitment towards the electrification of its last mile delivery fleet to reduce its dependence on non-renewable resources. At a virtual event with Shri Nitin Gadkari, leader from Amazon India and CEOs of leading OEMs, Amazon India recently announced that it is working with Mahindra Electric to add more electric vehicles in its delivery fleet. Amazon India's delivery service partners are already operating EVs of multiple formats in over 20 cities in India, including Delhi NCR, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Nagpur, Bhopal, Indore, and Coimbatore, to name a few. The collaborative effort strengthens Amazon India's commitment to include 10,000 EVs as a part of its delivery fleet by 2025. Next up is, Dehradun-based Windlass developer has received approval from Swami Investment Fund to invest up to Rs 171 crore for completion of its township project Windlass River Valley. The new funding will help the company complete the ongoing launch phase in the 35-acre integrated township to provide world-class residence to its customers, accelerate development and expand its real estate scale. Commenting on this deal, Yogesh Shetty, president of Ashika Capital Limited, we appreciate how the transaction was skillfully navigated, enabling Swami Fund to provide a winning solution to home buyers and in expanding the development of the project. Next up is, Mankind Pharma, the fourth largest pharmaceutical company in India, has expanded its OTC range of products since 2013. Health OK, a multivitamin tablet, has been a part of the drug category and has now been incorporated in the OTC category. Health OK Vitamin, multivitamin and mineral tablets that help cope up with modern lifestyle problems. To intensify and aware people of the product, the brand has announced its association with Bengali leading superstar Parambrata and Abir together for the very first time. With the collaboration the brand aimed at, the duo will help them to connect well in West Bengal and raise the credibility of the product. This is it for today. Thank you for watching Triple.com.